Now let's see this question. What is the distance between two cities P and Q? They are asking us to find out the distance between two cities P and Q. So the distance between two cities, or in general 2 points, is the length of the straight line connecting them, isn't it? That is what you are going to call the distance between two cities, right? So the distance between, in order to find this, they are giving us the distance between P and R is 80 and the distance between R and Q is 100. So is this data sufficient? So if you observe this, if you assume that R is going to be somewhere here, and distance between P and R is 80 and distance between R and Q is 100 is given, therefore you can say that it is 180. But then the problem is you don't know where R is located, isn't it? See, if R is located here, then definitely you will be able to add the numbers and you will be able to say the answer. But the exact location of R is unknown, which means R can be present anywhere, right? In case if this is the case, then the distance between these two is given as 80 and the distance between these two is given as 100. Therefore you cannot say that this distance is equal to this one plus this one, isn't it? So since the placement of R is not known, using the information given in both these statements, we cannot give the answer. Therefore the option is 4, right? Which means we will not be able to answer the question even after using the information present in both 1 and 2. Got it? So the option is 4. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.